We had good fighting there yesterday, and now we practice about these things, and some things better, and that time in season it's only concentrate how we play and how we try to develop the things, and we must break out much quicker than yesterday, and also how we play offensive, that more shots and drive to the net, and that kind of small things. Okay, we practice and talk about these things. I want to see that happen also. I hope that it happens tomorrow. But that we can see also yesterday game that we play defensive in our end much better. Even they keep back a lot, and the Villa was very good yesterday, very good. And of course Jaska played good in goal, and that's we need also. That we have good goal.
Začeli smo tekmo, sem sigurno zadovoljen. Igrali smo zelo disciplinirano, za razliko od zadnje tekme doma proti Sapi. Ja, točka je bila težko prigarana, ogromno zaslužena, tako da veselili smo se te točke.
Jutri Linz?
Ja, sigurno pričakujemo tudi težko tekmo, ampak igramo doma, tako da bomo dali vse od sebe, da ostaneta 2 točke pod Mežaklom.
Yeah, 2 points would be great for the weekend. 3 points, makes for a good weekend. Everyone's happy. We've had to come up short a couple times at home where we lost, and we definitely want to have a win and treat our fans to a big game. Yesterday was tough coming off the break. I think everyone was a little bit tired, a little bit rusty, but tomorrow we should be a little bit sharper, and hopefully we get the 2 points. I think any game in this league is pretty tough, but Linz is going to be pretty desperate. They're supposed to be one of the better teams in this league, and they expect a lot of good things from their team. So they're going to be playing desperate, so we're going to have to come out and try to get on them right away, try to make a couple mistakes and try to get them thinking negatively, and hopefully we can score a couple of goals and go from there.